Hello guys, welcome to my channel, 5-minute watch reviews. It's been quite some time since I reviewed anything or opened anything up. I think the last one I did was Seiko, and I still have to review that, so I'll get to it. It's been quite busy for me. But today I want to take a look at what has arrived for me from Meccaniche Veneziane. It's an Italian company. Some of it is made in Switzerland. I think it's pretty nice company. It's released a few watches. This is their GMT watch, which I have ordered on Kickstarter probably like last September. So it's been quite a long time since I got it, but now I can open it up and take a look at it and see how does it look. Take a quick look. So let's open it up. So they have read me please note here. We'll read it later. And then they have this beautiful poster about the company, etc. Join our family. Sorry for the delay. 30% off. And there's a nice box inside here. I'm not sure if it's walnut or pine box, but it smells pretty nice. So it's a real nice box, as you can see. So let's open it up and take a look what we have. Ooh, it's pretty nice. So we have Diaspro Crema watch pegged here nicely. This protection, let's take it off. Let's see if it can focus better. It looks very nice actually. I think you can see it better like this. It's really, I mean, the colors are really nice on this watch. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'll have to do a full review about it. Let's see what else is in the box. So they have this mesh bracelet in the box also. Take a look at that later. And they have this NATO strap. And it's pretty nice leather band. We'll see if it's good for my wrist. An additional thing they had was you could order this Jubilee bracelet. So Jubilee bracelet seems to look nice. We'll review it a little bit later, see how it is, how it fits. So yeah, the watch looks pretty nice. Let's see how it behaves. Let's see how it keeps the time. Tune back a little bit later when I'll do the full review of it. Take care. Subscribe to my channel, guys, so that you could get the latest videos and notifications. Click that bell. Let's review some cool watches together and see what comes up next. All right, so yeah, watch for my reviews for my other watches. I have quite few reviews to do, so I'll be getting to it now that the summer is over. Thank you guys. Bye.